Hello, my name is Haley Engel, and this video is for my Anatomy and Physiology 2 class for the Module 1 assignment. Part of this assignment is to locate the pancreas, found here, and to discuss the hormones that are created here, secreted here, and their main purposes or functions. The first one is glucagon, which works to balance the level of glucose within the body. And the way that it does that is it increases the glucose levels. The way that it does this is through the process of breaking down proteins found in muscle tissue to amino acids for the process of glyconeogenesis. Glyconeogenesis occurs in the liver, so it also, glucagon also works for the production of new glucose in the liver. It also aims to function with the breakdown of glycogen into glucose, which is called glycogenolysis. Another purpose of glucagon is to break down fat found in fat tissues for the process of gluconeogenesis as well, and as for an alternative source of energy. And it also stimulates the production of ketones from fatty acids found in the liver. Another hormone produced here is insulin. Insulin works to lower the blood glucose levels, and it lowers blood glucose levels it helps you to feel full after eating. It promotes the feeling of being satiated. It also promotes the production of glycogen in the liver and the production of fat from carbs and lipids. It also works to help with the uptake of lipids, glucose, and amino acids. And that is all found here in the pancreas.